Madawasan yung ano, yung kakangawit naman. Yung
what are you laughing at, Mark?
Not you. That's what you did.
Roberto Calibre Gonzalez. And the Green Johns, of course, by now, I'm sure the whole Philippines knows this young man from Puerto Galera against Rene Nival from the Sphere Gym, 23 years old, and the Orange Junks. And we are set for 8 rounds of boxing. Ito si Roberto Calibre Gonzalez slowly building his reputation, going up from 4 rounds to 6 rounds, now to 8 rounds. And again, Gonzalez usually gets his knockout somewhere in the 2nd or 3rd round, pero napuruan niya kaagad itong si Rene Nival. Nival with a pretty impressive record himself, 13 wins, although he has 8 losses, but 4 of his victories coming by way of knockout.
Taunting Gonzalez, sir.
You know he's not TV. That happens. You know, that happens so many times again. You know, I have to get the feedback of Mike Ochoa in terms of, you know, the footwear that was used by his fighter Mark Vito earlier. Almost cost him the win, but he actually pulled it out of the fire.
Now, this guy is a phenom. You're watching greatness here. 18-year-old Roberto Gonzalez coming into this fight with 9 wins, 6 by knockout, no loss.
And he also performed pretty well on the big stage at the Araneta Coliseum. If you remember that in the undercard to Bernabe Concepcion's fight. So if he can perform well there, here in Giginto, this should be a workout for him. But again, we can't take anything away from Rene Nival, who's also registered 4 knockouts, and he's also showing some speed. 122 pounds, 5'4", 23 years old. And he is shorter by 3 inches, although it doesn't look like he is here. Yun, napatras na siya dun sa mga suntok ni Gonzalez. Calibre, you're looking at probably a future world champion. I'm not even saying probably. That's already given.
That's not the place for Nival to be.
Definitely.
Yan ang paboritong lugar dito ni Roberto Gonzalez. When he has his opponent trapped on that corner, he switches something on and it's almost goodbye.
Pero nakalabas nga ito si Nival. Ito si Gonzalez is still feeling out itong kanyang kalaban. Now he can afford to do that. When he was fighting in the 4-rounders and the 6-rounders, buhos kagad ang ginagawa niya. Sometimes it got him into trouble because there were times na talaga siya yung natatamaan. But now, during the 8-rounders, nararamdaman na niya ngayon na, okay, pacing muna tayo. And that's one thing also that can help Roberto Calibre Gonzalez as he goes along in his very, very long boxing careers. Know the sense of patience also. Na hindi basta-basta babanat ka agad, and that was a low blow.
That was clearly a low blow, and you can see how Rene Nival felt that.
That's a warning given there to Roberto Gonzalez.
Well, Nival's lacking in footwork here. He's not really moving around as much as he has to.
Well, final seconds of the first. Again, the crowd very quiet here in Giginto. And that slick spot there at the blue corner.
Oh, wow.
Gonzalez able to connect that time. Needless to say, that round goes